When your credit is bad, desperation can cloud your judgment, and scammers know it. That's why the credit repair space is flooded with fake promises, shady offers, and flat-out illegal schemes. One of the biggest red flags is any company asking for a large upfront fee before doing any work. That's actually illegal under the Credit Repair Organizations Act, CROA. A legit service won't charge until after services are performed. Another scam is the new credit identity trick, where they offer to sell you a CPN, credit privacy number, to start over. That's not a legal loophole, it's fraud. You could end up committing a federal crime without realizing it. Then, there are services that dispute every item on your report, even accurate ones, without any real strategy. It might look like progress when accounts temporarily disappear, but it rarely sticks and could backfire. Also, beware of fake debt consolidation or loan forgiveness companies that ask for sensitive info, drain your bank account, or never deliver. Bottom line, if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Real credit repair takes time and strategy, not shortcuts. Got questions? Email us at service@creditfixguy.com or visit creditfixguy.com for real help without the games.